We're gonna play like a game for fun, a creative game. We're all creative, imaginative people, yeah? Sure. Let's pretend invisible deck of cards here. Cool? Okay. Pluck one out of the sky. Take one that you want.
Just one?
Just one.
One, okay.
Perfect. Let the group see it. Got it, right? Together, you guys are gonna put together the card, okay?
Okay.
Cards are either red or black. They're like hearts, diamonds, clubs, or spades. What color is the card, red or black?
Red.
Red. That means it's either a heart or a diamond. What is it?
Diamond.
A diamond? So she said it's red. Hearts or diamonds?
Hearts.
Diamonds. Diamonds. Pick someone else. It's either a low card or a high card. We'll say like 2 to 8 or 9 to ace.
Low card.
A low card, pick someone else in the group. Odd or even?
Even.
Odd. Odd, and then pick between one of these two. Odd? You said odd, right?
Yeah.
And a heart. So that gives us 3, 5, or 7 of hearts. What is that card?
7.
We know it's a high card, we know it's a diamond. What is it? 9, 10, jack, queen, king, ace.
Ace.
Ace. Ace of diamonds. 10 or queen of diamonds. What card is that he's holding?
10.
Turn it upside down and put it back into the deck. So even if I take these and I shuffle it, I can still spread through and there's one card face down. I know which card's the one you guys picked. It's the only one facing the opposite direction. Together you guys put together this card, right?
Yeah.
You could have said king, you could have said whatever you wanted. You could have said it was a low card, you could have said it was a heart, and you could have said it was black, right? If you would have said it was black, the whole card would be changed, right? You didn't feel forced to pick the things you picked.
Yeah.
But together you came up with the ace of diamonds.
Yeah.
And this has been sitting here the whole time. And you've been holding on to this the whole time.
Yeah.
You've been holding on to this the whole time. You guys all had... Together, you guys turned the 10 of diamonds upside down. And you guys turned that ace of diamonds upside down in the invisible deck, right?
Yeah.
Look, if I spread through.
Oh my god.
That's scary. Oh my god, dude, no! Holy. Okay. That's magic. That's real magic.
You crazy bastard.
That was awesome. That was freaking cool.
Magic is real.
Magic is real.
I've never had that in real life.
I
I was seeing the videos, but I wouldn't believe
Exactly.
it. I was like, that has to be something.
That was cool. That was awesome. I like that one.
Awesome. Well, Sydney, Mark, nice to meet you.
God damn, dude.
Take care. I'm gonna enjoy my food. Thank you guys. Take care. Thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow for a different magic trick performed out on the streets. I'm Jarek120, host of Disturb Reality. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment, and like this video because I will be hosting a contest once I hit 900,000 subscribers. And every like helps the channel grow, comments as well. Check out my other channels, Best Life I Ever Had. I'm on Twitch as well. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Jarek120. Be inspired to learn, aspire to disturb, and always rise above.